So we're entering Barangay San Jose here in Marbel or Coronadal City. So this is yung first na stretch ng property. Ito yung map natin. So ito yung mga instances that you have asked for referrals, no, from mga local na brokers here in Marbel or Coronadal for listings, but yung client requires that the property should be here, specified yung area. Yan natin. So yung kan natin pointed naman siguro sa barangay ito Let us see. Let us see. So kung we're driving slowly along Marbel Columbio na road. Columbio is already part of Sultan Kudarat. Tama ba? Let us see. Let us look for properties for sale here. So very specific yung requirement. Let us see. So ang target natin is punta muna sa, in the absence of yung mga referral, we'll go to the barangay, check on mga plans, barangay plans natin. So we're still along Marbel Columbio na road. Then 550 meters will be turning right. $400 meters turning right. Marami na rin palang populated na rin. It's a big barangay na rin pala.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Marbel, Columbia Road.
Dami na rin
Turn
development.
right onto Marbel, Columbia Road.
Oh, let's see.